Hi guys, it's like 12:10. Snow's been going on since like 9 o'clock, 9:15. And we got a couple inches. There's a lot more on the grass. It's just a little on the deck, and still there isn't much on the driveway. But we have a lot on the lawn. So, we have a lot on the surface. So I got my measuring stick. I just used a ruler. I'm gonna check how much we have. So you can see most of the yard's covered. It's snowing really, really hard right now. It's snowing right in your face. I'm gonna tilt it. You can see. You don't really see the grass on this one. We got like 2 inches or so. Let's check. There's no roof. Let's stick it in. It's snowing pretty hard. I don't know if you can see it, but we have just about an inch. It's starting to stick to the road a little. I didn't see any plows yet. They have a busy day, so it's snowing really, really hard. About an inch of snow. Let's see what's on the driveway. How much? Just a coating. That's it. See? And I'm gonna see if it's really fluffy or wet. It's kind of wet. It's perfect for making snowmen. You see? See, it only breaks a little. Thought I just heard a plow down the street, but it's still snowing really hard. It's supposed to get worse and worse and worse. They said 16 to 24 inches. And we're probably getting like around 2 feet, they're saying. 16 is the minimum. They don't expect us to get, they expect us to get more than 16. But it's snowing really, really hard. I mean, and the governor and the mayor wanted us to get off the streets of Boston by 12. People are still on the road. A lot of people are still on the road. I think it's not that bad, but it's coming. It's not. As you can see, the car is all wet. As you can see, it's really, really wet snow. So. That's why it's not sticking. But later tonight we're supposed to get thunder snow. And thunder snow you can get up to 6 inches per hour. It's just, if you're from the south, it's just like a thunderstorm, but it's with snow. You get all of that rain. You get all of that rain in a thunderstorm. But but if you get thunder snow, then all of that rain, that heavy rain, is all snow. So it's pretty cool. I want to see it happen, but it's a little dangerous. There's a lot is on my deck too. About 1 inch. It's wet. It'll probably take a while for it to stick on here, but it's a wet snow. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 2.